Hi everyone. Today we are going to see chapter 2 whole numbers. Please subscribe our Vital channel and press bell icon so that when we upload videos you will get a notification. Natural numbers. Natural number will start from 1 and it will continue with 2, 3. Whole numbers will start from 0 and it will continue with 1, 2, 3, so on. First we are going to see exercise 2.1. First question, write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. For this we have to add next three numbers means we have to add 1. That is 10,999. We are adding 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10. And we are getting 11,000. The next three natural numbers. So this is 1. And again we are adding 1. 1. This is second number. And again. And this is the third number. So the three natural numbers are after 10,999 are 11,000, 11,001, 11,002. That's all. Second question, write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. In this, we have to subtract 1 from 10,001. That is this is the first number. Then again we are subtracting 9. We are borrowing from here and here 9 and from here also 9 and here 9. So 9,999. This is second number. And again we are subtracting, that is 8. This is third. These three are the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. That is 10,000, 909, 9,999, 9,998. These three are the whole numbers that are occurring just before 10,001. Here, third question, which is the smallest whole number? We already know the whole numbers are starting from 0, then continue with 1, 2, 3. So, which is the smallest whole number? 0. Then 0 is the answer. 0 is the smallest whole number. Then fourth question. How many whole numbers are there between 52 and 53? 32 and 53. For this, if we want to find the numbers between any two whole numbers, we have to subtract from one from another. That is, we are subtracting 32 from 53. That is 53 minus 32. We are getting 53 1 2, 21. Again we have to subtract 1 from this number, that is 21 minus 1. Here we will get 20. This is the answer. The whole numbers between 32 and 53 are 20. Fifth question, write the successor. If we want to find the successor, we have to add one number to this number, that is A 2440701. We are adding 1 to this number, so we will get the successor. This is the successor of this number. Next we are in B. We are also here also we are adding 1 to this number. This is 1,200,000. Next one, to find the successor we have to add 1, 0, 0, again 0, 1, 1. This is 1 lakh. And after adding 1, we will get 1,10,000. Next one, this is the successor. Next one, sixth sum, write the predecessor. When we want to find predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from this number, that is 94 minus 1, we will get 93. 93 is the predecessor of 94. Next one, B. This is 10,000. From 10,000 we are subtracting 1, 9, 9 and 9. We are getting 9,999. Here we are subtracting 1, 9, 8, 0, 8, 0. This is the predecessor. Next one, D, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here also we are subtracting 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. Next, seventh question. In each of the following pair of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with the appropriate sign, greater than, smaller than, between them. A 530, 503. When we want to compare two numbers, we have to count the digits, so it will be very easy. It is also having 3 digits, and in this also we are having 3 digits. Next one, we have to compare digits from the left, that is from first digit we are having same number, so it is 5. Next number 3, it is here 0. Automatically this number is smaller than this number, this is greater, so we can put the sign. This is the greater number, this is the smaller number. Always the lower value that will lies on the left of the other number in the number line. So 503 is the smallest value, so it is lies in the left of the other number 530. So we can write 503 is on the left of 530. That's all. In this number B 370, 307. Here also same 3 digits it is having, so we are comparing first digit, it is 3. Next second digit, it is 0, it is 7. Automatically this number is bigger. So lower value is lies in the left. So 307 is on the left of 370. Next, see sum 98765 56789. Here it is 5 digits, it is also 5 digits. 98765 56789. When we compare the first digit itself, this number is bigger. So we already know the lower value is lies in the left. It's on the left of 98765. Next sum, D sum 9830415, comma 1002301. Here when we compare itself, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits, and here 8 digits. So automatically this number is greater. So it is lies in the left. This value has lower value, so it is on the left. Next question 8. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? A. 0 is the smallest natural number. As we already saw, that is natural numbers starts from 1. So 0 is the smallest natural number is false. Next, 400 is the predecessor of 399. It is false. 400 is the successor of 399. So it is false. Next, 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, whole number starts from 0. So it is the smallest whole number. Next, 600 is the successor of 599. It is also true. 600 is the successor of 599. All natural numbers are whole numbers. True, because all natural numbers 1 2 3, that is whole numbers are nothing but natural numbers along with 0. That is called whole numbers. So all natural numbers are whole numbers. That is true. All whole numbers are natural numbers. That is false, because whole numbers having 0 but natural numbers are not having 0. Next, G. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number. This is false, because 10 is a 2-digit number but it has a predecessor 9. So we can't say the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit. It's a false. Next, 1 is the smallest whole number. That is also false, because whole number starts from 0. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. It is true, because the natural number starts from 1. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. That is false, because the whole number 1 has a predecessor 0. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. That is also false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yes, it is true, because whole number starts from 0. Next, the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. We can't say like that, because the 2-digit number 99 that has a successor 100, so it is false. That's Please subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubts, write them on comments. Thank you.